Turn that fucking shit inside out. Oh,
Drink a little, smoke a little, roll a couple blunts, yeah, I told a little. I'ma let her give me brain if she know a little. Shoot a couple dices, nigga, I got vices. Yeah, I drink a little, yeah, I smoke a little, yeah, I puff a couple blunts, yeah, I told a little. I'ma let her give me brain if she know a little. Shoot a couple dices, nigga, I got vices. I usually turn to when there's a crisis. Heart of a sinner, lack of a Christ is. A mix me for dirty like where the mice is. I turn a nigga cola where the ice is. Retreat to a place where all the nice is. It's probably all because I am a Pisces. I swear to never tell you what the price is, but fuck it cause the feeling is so priceless. So I cannot resist problems, society says smoke past my lips. Deep in my lungs and the feeling it hits. Open my eyes up, then I am in bliss. No time for bitches, so that is a miss. But since I am cloudy, my mind's in a mist. She can come over and slide me a kiss. Then I slide in and dive in her abyss. Guilt trips, cause she has no other purpose. Just another casualty in the war verses. Once I burst this, lay me down in the hearses. Some girls love shopping, yeah, cop a couple purses. Cover up the fact that lifestyles with the curses. Living on the edge, yeah, that's where Javon curses. My mind says do it, but my liver says don't hurt this. Who do I listen to? Ears what the snakes listen to. When she says she miss me, I never say I miss you too. But when I smoke a drink, I say damn, I miss you too. Do it all night till the fucking sky's red and blue. Like the finish line, yeah, my nigga, I'm ahead of you. One step behind, but I swear I'm not scared of you. Putting shit up in my body that I swear you scared of you. Afterwards, I ask myself questions like an interview. But I never stop it like I said, fuck it, interlude. Back in the day, I hit it, hated to admit it. That I fucking did it, forbidden apple, I bit it. That I rolled it up and lit it, try to slow down but I skid it. No stop sign, no sign of stop in mind, and that's fine. At least it's what I tell myself. I rest myself, cause I can handle myself. One thing about life is it'll stress you. And if you can't handle the pressure, you turn to the pleasure. Drink a little, smoke a little, yeah. Roll a couple blunts, yeah, I told a little. I'ma let her give me brain if she know a little. Shoot a couple dices, nigga, I got vices. Yeah, I drink a little, yeah, I smoke a little, yeah, I puff a couple blunts, yeah, I told a little. I'ma let her give me brain if she know a little. Shoot a couple dices, nigga, I got vices.